welcome back to my channel. I went to CVS. I was actually excited to go to CVS. The thing is, I am not getting the inserts that I used to get. Like when I do my insert breakdown or whatever, I'm not getting what I'm supposed to get. I know it's kind of weird. So I don't know. They change, they rotate things, but that's okay because there was some deals that I wanted to do, but didn't have the coupons for it. So that is okay. But I checked and my Easter at my store hit 90% off. The thing that I like to get the most is the egg dyeing kits because that's just the way it is. My kids this year wanted tons of eggs dyed, and I feel like as this stuff gets older, the worse it gets. So I actually just like double it up, and it ends up being a lot better doing that. So that's what I did. But this didn't have a price on it, and I went to go scan it. The machine was down for scanning products. So there's an option to do the UPC code. So I entered it, and then it says doesn't exist, so then they just scan it. This was on clearance for $1.69, I think. But this is basically, you just put the egg in there, and then you can take a marker and kind of just stripe it. I thought that was kind of cool. We don't have to use their markers, but I thought this is kind of cool. For $1.69, I think this is a thing we can use many years down the road for decorating Easter eggs. Instead of just doing the dye, we can also do the markers, which I think for $1.69, that was a great deal. And then I've been eyeing these up. I ended up getting 2 of the golden shimmers, and then I got 2 of the neon egg dyeing kits. They said that they're just bright colors, and then there's glitter pouches if we want to put them in glitter. And then here there is shimmer. Okay, there's 4 shimmer paint pouches and then 6 droplets. So whatever. These were $4.99, and I got them for 49 cents a piece. So I'm like, these are perfect for the egg dyeing kits. Like, that's why I got that stuff, because it's perfect for the kids when we dye eggs. I ended up also getting this. This is like the little cups. I like the cups because you can just, it measures everything for you. The cups are wide enough. So this is what I got. But this was, again, $4.99, so I got it for 49 cents. So I got that for all the egg dyeing kits. And then I ended up getting myself a mask. This is an egg mask, but I thought, you know what, it kind of reminds me of just spring. It looks like it's huge. It says it's for a medium, and I'm like, whatever. So this was ringing up just 99 cents. So I thought, I'll get a mask just to see how well that fits. I mean, for 99 cents, you can't go wrong with that. But there is a huge moneymaker. If you guys have these app coupons, you definitely want to do this deal. So we got the Burt's Bees. This is the Purely White is what I got. So these were on sale for $4.99. I used 2 $2 off coupons that we got from our P&G inserts last week. I also had a $2.50 app coupon and a $2 off app coupon. So I used those. I ended up paying $1.48 for the both of these. But then when you buy 2, you get a $3 extra care book. And you can submit a $3 rebate and a $3 rebate with Ibotta. So these right here became a $7.52 moneymaker. $7.52 moneymaker. That is awesome. That is like the best deal ever. I've tried the Burt's Bees. I'm not a big fan of their toothpaste, but in case you guys need that, $7.52. $7.52. I ended up having a Persil. What I'm going to say is, I got the same CRTs as I did last week. Same freaking CRTs. A lot of them are the CVS CRTs. I don't care. A lot of you guys said you wanted me to start using my second card, but I'm not abusing it. I'm just going to do a couple deals here and there with my second card, but I'm still going to try to focus on my main card. But I could not pass this deal up. So the Persil was on sale for $4.99. There might be insert coupons, but I just used a $2 off digital, and then I also had a $2 off CRT for Persil. So I got this for just 99 cents. 99 cents. Persil is my favorite laundry detergent. I love this stuff. And when I can get a good deal on it, I could not pass it up. So yeah, my Persil stuff is slowly dwindling away because I don't get those coupons anymore. So I was pretty excited to get that deal. Now, I looked at this stuff the other day and nothing was marked. Well, then I looked at something and it was marked down to like 70 or 60% off. So I'm like, I'm going to scan these items and see. I forgot to check what the original price was for this, but these were ringing up 99 cents. 99 cents for these. And then I had a 25-cent printable coupon that we had from coupons.com. It is a limited too. So I got these for 75 cents, you know, or 74 cents a piece. I think that's a great deal. So if you guys have the 7th generation, this is the free and clear. Definitely check it out if you guys want to do that soap deal. And then I also had, I also price checked these, and these were like $2.62, I think is what they were ringing up as. Originally 9 something, and they're ringing up $2.62. This was not marked at all, so I just went and scanned it. So I also had $1 off digital, and then I had $1 off printable, so I ended up buying 2 of them. So I got these for $1.62, which I'm pretty excited for. I'm excited to try the the 7th generation laundry detergent, but for $1.62, I think that's a pretty good deal for being originally 10 bucks from $1.62. So definitely check your clearance out, scan it, because you never know, it might be unmarked clearance. Okay. The next deal we got is the whole blends. I was so excited to get printable coupons for this because I never get these inserts. So these were 2 for $7. I used a 3 off of 2 digital coupon. I paid $4 for this, but then you get a $2 extra care buck, making these $2 or just $1 a piece. It was either whole blends or Garnier Fructis, so I got the whole blends because I don't get the whole blends as much as I used to. So I got that. Now this deal messed up. I don't know what happened, but I had the Listerine deal. These were $3.99. I had a coupon for buy one, get one free, okay? He even typed it in, and then when I got home, I looked at the receipt and never came off. So I should have had $4 taken off on it, but I used a buy one, get one free coupon. And then I had $1 off insert coupon and then $1 off digital coupon. So these should have came out to be $1.99 for both of these, but it didn't because that buy one, get one did not come off. I don't know what happened. I saw him type it up, he okayed it, blah, 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 but something just did not happen. But if you guys have that coupon, definitely. Otherwise, if it wasn't going to work, I would have not gotten these. So just wanted to share with you on that. And then I got a receipt in here from Aldi. Okay, the next deal I had was I had the freebie. I had an item up for $5 for a freebie. Now it didn't say cosmetic, it said facial anything. Well, I ended up getting this. This is by far one of my favorite products that I use. They recently changed the bottle. It used to be like a clear bottle, and I liked the scent of the clear bottle. They changed this up a little bit. It's a little bit thicker. I don't use as much, but there is a little bit of smell to it. Not a bad smell, but I'll get used to it. This was $4.99. I scanned it and it popped up as the $5 item. So what I ended up doing is I had a $2 off coupon clipped, and I did not want that to come off, but it automatically did. So I actually got this for free. So it took my $5 off freebie took it off, plus the $2 off coupon that I did not want it to do. But I got this for free. So I was pretty excited to get this, and hopefully it'll start, you know, putting more items on my extra care card that I bought L'Oreal, because I remember getting those L'Oreal coupons like crazy, and then it stopped. Well, then I ended up doing this deal. This ended up becoming a great moneymaker. I wanted to get more razors, but I just couldn't find a great deal for it. So I ended up getting the Schick. These are the Schick Extreme. Now, I was scanning stuff with the app like crazy. Sometimes it worked, sometimes it didn't. I'm like, what is going on with this app? Like, sometimes it worked, sometimes it said there's no deals. I ended up having to cut the app off, like shut the app off and restart it. Like, it was just, the app was acting up all day today. It was just crazy. But these were $9.49. They were buy one, get one 50% off. And I had 2 $4 off coupons that we got from our inserts last week. The digitals ones did not pop off. Like, we did have digitals, they did not come off. But yeah. Then I also had the Edge shaving cream. These were $3.89 at buy one, get one 50% off. Now, I was originally going to get 3, and I'm like, you know what, we're going to get this and just see what happens. So I used 2 $4 off coupons for these, and then I had a $1 off digital for one of these. So there was that. But then I had a $4 off Schick CRT and another $4 off Schick CRT. So my total came to $3.06 for both of these, or for all 4 of these. But you get a $5 extra care buck when you spend $15 or more. So this came out to be a $1.93 moneymaker. I got all 4 of these for free. And yeah, and this went towards my second card. Just because I wanted to get a couple more things. Like the thing is, it's not worth me driving into CVS for like 3 items, but I really want to share with you guys as many deals as I can, and a lot of you are in the same subject as I am. Some of you are getting better at your cards, and some of you, I don't know what the heck is going on, but I don't really like doing the 2-card deal, but if that's what I have to do, it's very confusing, it's more time consuming, but I'm going to try to do as much not on that card as possible. I'm pushing more towards my other card. But for all 3 transactions, for that freebie for this one, I ended up doing this one in a separate transaction because it always messes things up, and I just feel comfortable if I just have this by itself. It's like the first item that I get checked out. So that's what I did. So I ended up doing 3 transactions, 1 for that L'Oreal, 1 for 1 card, and 1 for the other, but a total of $14.53. Now the reason why my out-of-pocket is a little bit high is because my second card, I have 0 extra care bucks. I have no extra care bucks for that card whatsoever, so I have to start building them. So that's why my out-of-pocket is a little bit higher than normal, but the only thing I bought was the Schick, and then I did the Listerine, and then I did the Persil. But like I said, something failed on the Listerine. But yeah, my grand total was $14.53, and I ended up using $16 worth of extra care bucks, but I only received 11 back. And I also got $6 back with Ibotta. That's 2 for the toothpaste. So my grand total technically came to $13.53, or just 23 items, or 58 cents a piece. Now I totally forgot I could have used the Flues app. If you guys click my referral link down below, you'll get up to 35% off your first 3 purchases. You get 3 vouchers, and one of the vouchers is CVS, which basically is if you guys bought a $10 gift card, it gives you automatic gift cards. Basically, they charge your card and it's just an instant gift card. So basically, you would pay $10 on the Flues app, but then you'll get $3.50 back because that's 35% off back. So what I end up doing is I continue rolling them, but I didn't roll it this time. I just wasn't thinking straight, but I should have done that because that's like free money right there. But anyways, 58 cents for each one. Not the greatest deal, but you know what? I'm happy. Like, I just want to share with you guys more deals. I really wanted to do the Suave deal, but I didn't get those coupons. I also had Survey coupons, or a Survey CRT. I had a Vito's CRT, but nothing was working out in my favor. I also had a Battery CRT. Again, nothing worked out in my favor. But I did have a L'Oreal mascara, but the mascara I wanted to get was a little pricey. It wasn't tracking all the mascara. It was only tracking a couple of them, so I'm like, nah, I don't need to do it. But we will see what happens next week. I'm hoping we have a better couponing haul. But anyways, give this video a thumbs up if you guys enjoy it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next week, Sunday. See you later. Bye-bye.